our gut healing celery juice recipe.
Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. My name is Bob. I'm a functional medicine practitioner. I work with men and women by addressing their chronic fatigue, pain and illnesses through root cause resolution so that they can thrive and live fully.
First, we start off with one whole stalk of celery, organic, and I usually will cut off just the end, and I'll save this for last to help clean the juicer. And this is an Omega NC 800S, and S just stands for silver. So it's an NC 800, and it's very simple to do. Just turn the machine on, and I'm just going to give the celery here a rinse. And we just start feeding it through. And we want to try to achieve one stalk should give us just about somewhere between 14 to 16 ounces of celery juice. So every once in a while you just need to use the plunger here. Push down. And I try to alternate some of the softer sticks with the harder sticks. But when you juice, you need to alternate, because otherwise if it's too soft, like, it just turns into mush. You don't have it so much with celery, but you will, like if you do apples or any other type of softer fruits or vegetables. If you don't alternate between soft and hard, like if you're doing a combination of different vegetables, you want to alternate them, so it kind of helps clean out through the juicer. But we're just doing celery juice here today, so I will alternate. You can kind of tell some of them are a little more hearty than others. Like I'm pretty much at the end here to where these are pretty hard. And you'll keep an eye on sometimes, and if you get some of them that are kind of soft, or you can just we never want to stick like a knife or a utensil down in the chute, because it'll ruin the auger. So you just use another piece of celery like that, and you can kind of clean it through. But otherwise, really straightforward, simple. And occasionally you might have some that have a little bit of dirt on it. I don't, if it's organic and you trust your source, I don't worry about it being super clean. But I do rinse it a little bit, so it doesn't bother me too much. And then there you go. And what I'll even do is I'll take some of the pulp, stuff that's run through already. So you see, there's your celery. It leaves out, it takes out all the fiber, which I actually do like fiber in a lot of my different recipes. But in this case, for gut healing, this gut healing recipe, I don't mind having the fiber out of it, because actually fiber helps slow down the digestive process of your food. The only reason I'm adding some of this in here is to kind of help clean out, to kind of push through what didn't make it through. Now the part that now this is the end, and I'll add this in. I just cut it in half so it'll fit in the chute. And so you just put that in there as well. And there you go. You see how it comes through, and you know, add that in there. And like I said, I'll usually put the aim pieces in at last, and then it helps just kind of clean out what's, didn't make it through the auger. And that's it. There's your gut healing celery. you just move it, I just take it off, and you'll notice at the end here there'll be some juice left in it, so I will just kind of tilt it back and forth. And that's ready to be cleaned. Move it aside, and as you can see here, I ended up with 16 ounces of celery juice. So I make this first thing in the morning, and I take it on an empty stomach, bottoms up. Pretty much of it. A little bit more to go. And there you go. Enjoy. Have a great day. Please grab any one of my free offers on my website, which should be up soon. And if this video was helpful, I sure would appreciate a thumbs up. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you back next week for a brand new episode.